Language.Foundation's Video Dictionary, helping you achieve understanding.
A vague idea in which some confidence is placed. Belief, feeling, impression, opinion. An odd or fanciful or capricious idea. The theatrical notion of disguise is associated with disaster in his stories. Whim, whimsy, whimsy. A general inclusive concept. Usually plural, small personal articles or clothing or sewing items. Buttons and needles are notions.
Become our student and get access to effective and free educational materials. Subscribe to our channel to become a part of our growing community and to learn English effectively.